as deadlines, which should not have happened, but it is happening, and it's unfortunate on the part of all of us actually. uh, Government cannot give a direction to each and everybody at the same time. Even a single setting, the doctor also expect that he should have a guideline, or at least he should not face harassment from authorities if he does something which is not in the guideline, which is not happening. So to give you an example, first example I'll give you, what was happening is you were quarantining people, and you were in front of their doors you were putting some government sticker on that this place is quarantine, or this person is quarantine. So when we created this hype of like corona, if I am having corona then I am going to die, what happened is everybody, like especially in villages, was after the healthcare workers, saying that you should not quarantine us, we should not tell others also about our symptoms. That kind of things happened in the field. And uh, uh, there are even examples where healthcare workers were attacked in villages and even in slums areas. Especially I can tell you about Haryana, that why you are quarantining us, why if somebody from outside has come, why you are uh, uh, putting that as if we are corona positive, why you are showing to the whole village. The villagers, second thing, uh, we the people were working in say PSCs, CSCs, and in medical colleges, and no, this was something to be very proud of. But what happened when the stigma got attached to this corona thing, and people were feeling like if I'm going to have corona, I am going to die. That kind of thing happened, and the villagers and the people from the cities, they came out and said that people working in the PSC, CSC, and in medical college, they should not come out of it. They should be staying in the medical college only. Otherwise, they'll infect us. That was the stigma, that the persons who were earlier thought to be corona warriors were converted into corona carriers. And there is lots and lots of report in media regarding what happened to the healthcare workers. So this happens when we put stigma to something. And even uh, the doctors, they are not clear about what is going to happen to the non-COVID patient. The third example is related to non-COVID patients. There is a hospital, is a big hospital, it's a part of AIIMS, it's in Jhajjar. It was converted into a COVID hospital. Many cancer patients who were being treated there, they used to come for say chemotherapy, for radiotherapy, and they'll stay there. In the morning they'll go, during the day they'll take the treatment, in the evening they'll come back home. When the whole facility was converted into a COVID hospital, what will happen to the other patients? Nobody cared. And there are cases like in cancer patients, some other facilities also, like rightly pointed out by the speaker previous to me, that mental health suffered. Then there were some routine activities going on, like I can tell you 15 activities which were very routine, coming from immunization to reproductive child health services to tuberculosis program like DOTS. So there are a number of activities which were going on in the field, even in the colleges. All those activities were in doldrum